Hello and welcome to the world of pots of grace. Today we will explore the pink flower shaped momos with a flavorful mix echoing Tibet's culinary heritage. Also, I am going to share a secret trick that ensures your momos turn out not just delicious but irresistibly juicy and savory. So let's get started by peeling the beetroot to reveal its vibrant hues. Once peeled, roughly dice the beetroot. Boil diced beetroot in plain water for 5 minutes to get the vibrant red water. Avoid using raw beetroot juice. I prefer boiling it to extract the vibrant color. This boiling technique adds color without compromising the flavor. Once boiled, strain the beetroot and keep the beautiful red infused water aside. Now let's craft the perfect momo dough. Combine 1 cup wheat flour with 1/3 cup all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl for wrapper strength. Wheat flour is crucial for holding delicate petals. Also add salt and oil and give a good stir. Finally mix the liquid gold with your flour, knead away and get ready to wrap up some delightful momos. Once the kneading is complete, let the dough rest with an airtight cover in a greased bowl. This cozy resting place ensures your momo dough can rise to perfection. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the delicious fillings. For the filling, first mix the minced chicken with chopped green onion, salt and pepper, chopped garlic, ginger, coriander leaves, chopped carrot and chili oil. Thoroughly mix all ingredients. Keep the salt a bit on the lower side. We will balance it with soy sauce at the end. Now here comes the trick for that juicy filling magic. Gradually add a bit of chicken broth to the mix, not all at once, just enough to achieve the perfect consistency. You can also use plain water. This step ensures your momo filling it's irresistibly juicy, elevating your momo filling to the next level. Finally add a dash of soy sauce to the mix. This final touch enriches the taste of your momo filling, ensuring each bite is a burst of savory goodness. Now get ready to transform the rested dough into the delicate flower-like wrappers. With the quantity of flour here used, you will be able to craft 5 to 6 beautiful momo pieces. So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did? As you craft each wrapper, make sure the dough stays moist. To prevent drying out, cover the remaining dough portions while you work on one. This ensures each wrapper maintains its peelability, contributing to the perfection of your momo making process. Roll each dough portion into a thin round wrapper. Rotate and roll evenly to achieve the perfect momo wrapper, which is thin and smooth. Place 1 tablespoon of the flavorful filling right at the center. Now get ready to craft this delectable delight step by step. The art of momo making begins now. Follow this step diligently for the perfect momo creation.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Let's begin crafting those beautiful momo petals. Carefully fold and pinch the edges, creating a series of small pleats to form a delightful flower-like shape. Each fold is a petal in the making, turning your momos into not just a dish, but a visual masterpiece.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Take pleasure in the art of
Never really
creation.
know just what you
Relish
want.
the joy that comes
With you,
with
I
the
don't
creative
ever feel
process.
calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
For an artistic touch, sprinkle some chopped carrots over the exposed part of the filling.
Everything is
These adds a beautiful pollen-like appearance to each flower dumpling. Such small details that make the dumplings a true work of art. The moment of anticipation has arrived. Steam these dumplings for approximately 12 to 14 minutes on medium heat. Stay tuned for the satisfying finale of our momo making journey.
everything that you did.
While the momos steam to perfection, let's whip up the aromatic sauce.
Hearts black and blue from the
It's so easy to make. Just mix the equal parts of dark soy sauce and water. Add chopped garlic, green onions, a splash of vinegar, and a drizzle of chili oil.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion
Stir it up and it's done.
of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I was
As you unveil the steamer, behold the perfection of authentic Tibetan flavored and beautiful flower shaped momos. Are not these petals just so pretty? Get ready to savor the true essence of momo magic. Try this at home to experience juiciness within and a tender exterior. Dip in the sauce for an extra burst of flavor. Happy cooking!